Did you know that this beautiful and affordable crochet rag uses less than 250 grams of yarn? But if you don't do it right, you could end up losing money. The secret is in the perfect base. Stay until the end of this video because I'm going to show you the trick that prevents your rag from curling and keeps you from losing money. And to make this piece here, I used number 6 yarn in pink and salmon. You can work with a number 3, 3.5 or 4mm crochet hook. Using this material and the number of rows I explained to you in the lesson, my rug ended up being about 42 centimeters wide by 62 centimeters long. But you can make it even bigger. Making it in this size, the piece used about 210 grams of number 6 yarn. Now let me show you the secret so this piece doesn't go wrong. The secret is right at the beginning, so you need to pay close attention so you don't make a mistake at the start. The base has to be perfect. I'm going to show you the part of the video where I teach this piece so you can start it perfectly. Watch along. We're going to start here by taking our yarn, making a slip knot and a chain with 46 stitches. After finishing this chain with 46 stitches, we're going to start our first row. We're going to make 3 more chains here to serve as our first double crochet and 2 more chains for spacing. I'm going to go back here to the 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th chain from the hoop. And I'm going to make a double crochet right here on top of this 8th chain from the hook. 1. I'm going to keep working these little blocks here of double crochet, 2 chains and double crochet until the end of this first row. So after making this double crochet here, I'm going to make 2 chains, skip 2 base chains, and in the next one I'll make a double crochet. I've made another open block here, an open little square with double crochet, 2 chains and double crochet. And then we'll keep working like this until the end of this chain, until the end of our first row. Always making 2 chains after the double crochet, skipping 2 base chains and working a double crochet in the next one. I make 2 chains, skip 2 base chains here, and in the next one I place a double crochet again. And that's how we keep working, doing this until the end of our row. I finished working my entire row like this with double crochet, 2 chains and double crochet, always leaving 2 stitches of space here at the base as well. We always skip 2 chains here from one double crochet to the next. And then finishing this row here, we will have a total of 15 spaces like this. 15 little squares, 15 open blocks. And then you can count to check and confirm if you did this first row correctly. Did you notice how it should look? It's important that you make sure the beginning of your piece looks exactly like this. The key for a piece made with this stitch style to look perfect is to keep the right tension on your stitches. And make sure you follow exactly the pattern indicated in the instructions as well. Making the right number of stitches, skipping exactly the number of stitches shown, actually specified in the lesson for you. Now that you already know how to make the base perfectly, the secret is to keep making the other rows as shown in the lesson, keeping the stitch tension just right and also the consistency right, keeping everything uniform. Follow the full step-by-step tutorial for this piece here on the channel. I leave the link here in the description for you and also in the pinned comment. The full lesson is already posted here and is also available completely free on our website. JNY Crochet for you. JNY Crochet. Be sure to save this video so you don't miss this valuable tip. Also share it with anyone you know who will find this tip useful. And let us know in the comments if you've ever messed up the stitches when making a piece like this, or if your rug has ever turned out crooked. Thank you so much for your kindness. Big hug and see you in the next video. And now I'm going to invite you to check out something that can really help you if you have trouble making your rugs perfect and keeping your stitch tension even. If your rugs turn out crooked like the Yanis, who had this same problem, this same difficulty, she even had trouble learning crochet. Her piece would turn out crooked, her little square would be crooked. And look at her before and after, how her little square improved after she became my student, after taking my complete course. You can also be like Elaine, who used to crochet with very tight stitches. But also, after becoming my student and having access to my complete method, she was able to make bigger rugs without them turning out crooked and with looser stitches. And with that, her rug turned out much more beautiful with even stitches too. And you can see her rug from before and also after the course. If you also want to improve your crochet and make perfect rugs, join the Clube do Crochet now. Come and become my student. To have access to my complete method with valuable, well-organized content, capable of transforming the way you crochet. The link for you to learn about Clube do Crochet is here in the video description. Or open your phone's camera and point it at this QR code on the screen and become my student in Clube do Crochet. Click the link below and I'll see you inside the Clube do Crochet. I'll be waiting for you.